Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You need a Google account and a modern browser. Sign in now. Once signed in, go to the Google Apps menu and choose Colab or search for Colab in the app launcher. Make sure you pick the account you want to use. This determines drive access and file ownership. If you plan to use GPU, verify billing or quota limits on your account. After that, click New Notebook to create a fresh notebook and load the default Python kernel so you can run cells. Once your notebook opens, change the runtime type to Python 3 and select GPU or TPU if your workload requires acceleration. You do this from the runtime menu. Next, mount your Google Drive using the provided code, snippet so files persist between sessions. You should authorize access with the presented prompt. This step links Drive to the notebook and lets you read and write files. Also install any pip packages you need at the top of the notebook to ensure reproducible runs throughout your session. You run cells in order and save frequently to Drive or commit to Git for backups. This prevents lost work. If a long job stops unexpectedly, restart the runtime and rerun initialization cells to restore packages and mounted Drive. Make sure to switch runtime types if errors mention missing CUDA or incompatible libraries. One key troubleshooting tip: if the kernel fails, check installed package versions and your GPU/TPU quota. Reinstalling a clean virtual environment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.